The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, has been involved in several initiatives as part of the National Plan of Action for an integrated response to eradicating all types of violence, abuse, and exploitation of children. Director of Children and Family Programs at the CPFSA, Dr. Warren Thompson, provides an update.
The 211 hotline, I think, is well known. Toll-free, 24-hour, 3-digit number was implemented in 2021 to increase the access for children in particular. We expanded the service, moved it from 16 hours to 24 hours, moved it from Monday to Friday to 7 days per week. We increased the number of persons working on the line. We're currently providing different kinds of therapeutic services, and we're looking to expand that. So we're looking at occupational therapy. We are working on developing a child protection early warning system. And the child protection early warning system is aimed at leveraging community resources to engage in early detection of children who may be at risk and activate a response.
Protecting our children is an integral part of ensuring that Jamaica becomes a place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.